Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here, and in this video I'm going to show you this YouTube thumbnail maker that I'm going to use for my video that I just created. This is a blog post writer. Kind of walk you through in the first video some of these nodules that I use to be able to generate a blog post just by clicking a button. So I'm just going to, I can actually post or link the video in this video, my previous video in this video, that way you can actually see it. But the purpose of this video is to show you some of the thumbnails that you can actually create here. I've used this tool for the past, 12 thumbnails. You can actually see them on my videos to show that I'm not BSing. I actually bought 120 credits. Now I have 30 something. So I have been using it, and I wanted to kind of use it for this video as well. So let's say a YouTube thumbnail maker. You can actually select different things here. So in the settings, you can actually put extra prompts here, but normally I just like to go ahead and generate just to see what it comes up with at the beginning. If I don't like it, I'll generate another one. But that's pretty much the gist of this video, just to show you these beautiful thumbnails that actually come with a sentence or two to help you with the thumbnail generation, okay? So if you just give it, normally takes probably less than a minute, and it's been like 20 seconds. So as you can see here, it'll populate in a minute. So create a stunning thumbnails. Okay, I'll probably use that one, put my head somewhere here. That should do it. So again, this is a tool that I'm just promoting because I liked. It's pretty inexpensive. It's not a monthly recurring subscription, which I try to avoid. I just like to pay by performance or pay by use, which is this tool here, ni3.app. That should do it. Let me know if you have any question. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Thank you.